What is Tempur mattress made of? If you're curious about what makes a Tempur-Pedic mattress so special, you're in the right place. Let's break down the components that go into these popular mattresses. First off, the heart of any Tempur-Pedic mattress is the Tempur material. This is a type of memory foam, but it's not just any memory foam. It was originally developed by NASA to provide cushioning for pilots, and Tempur-Pedic has refined it over the years specifically for sleep. The Tempur material is a viscoelastic polyurethane foam that adapts to your body's shape, weight, and temperature. This means it molds closely to your body, providing excellent pressure relief and comfort. Unlike traditional memory foam, Tempur-Pedic's material is denser and more adaptive, making it stand out from other memory foams on the market. A Tempur-Pedic mattress typically has several layers. The top layer is the comfort layer, made from this Tempur material. It's designed to be plush and comfortable, and in some models, like the Tempur Luxe Breeze, it even incorporates cooling technology to regulate your body temperature. Beneath the comfort layer is the support layer, which is a firmer version of the Tempur material. This layer ensures the mattress maintains its shape and provides the necessary support for proper spinal alignment. The base layer is the foundation of the mattress. In some models, it's made of high-density polyurethane foam, while in hybrid models, it's composed of individually wrapped coils. These coils add extra responsiveness and support, especially for heavier sleepers. In addition to these layers, Tempur-Pedic mattresses also feature a moisture-wicking cover. This cover is breathable and helps keep the sleeping surface dry and comfortable. Some models, like the Tempur Cloud, have a 360-degree stretch cover that enhances breathability and provides superior comfort. Now let's address a common concern. Do Tempur-Pedic mattresses contain fiberglass? The answer is no, they do not contain fiberglass. However, they do use a type of glass fiber material in their fire-retardant barrier. This material is encased in a protective sheath and is located deep within the mattress, making it completely safe and inaccessible to consumers. Tempur-Pedic mattresses are also made with safety in mind. They use CertiPUR-US certified foams, which are free from harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, heavy metals, and ozone depleters. In summary, a Tempur-Pedic mattress is made from advanced memory foam, supportive layers, a durable base, and a breathable cover, all designed to provide a comfortable and safe sleeping experience. Whether you're looking for a plush feel or extra support, Tempur-Pedic has a range of models to meet your needs.